Okay, so when you hear the term artificial intelligence, what pops into your head? Is it, futuristic robots, super smart computers from the movies? Well, here's the thing. AI isn't some far-off idea. It's already here and it's woven into pretty much everything we do every single day. Let's dive into this. So that brings us to the big question, right? Where is all this AI? Where do we actually run into this stuff? Believe me, the answer is a whole lot closer than you probably think.
Get this. You're probably using AI dozens, and I mean dozens of times a day without even giving it a second thought. And the most powerful AI tool you own, it's not sitting in some secret lab somewhere. It's right there in your pocket.
So let's pull back the curtain a little bit. We're going to go on a hunt for this AI that's hiding in plain sight. And we'll start with the apps and services you're already using constantly. Okay, think about the last time you used Google Maps. Ever wonder how it finds you that perfect shortcut to avoid a traffic jam? That's not just a map. That's a powerful AI analyzing real-time traffic from thousands of other phones. It's literally predicting congestion before it even gets bad. And your ETA, that estimated time of arrival, that's a constantly updating AI prediction. It's incredible. Or what about this? Your recommendation feeds. You know that up next video on YouTube that just gets you? Yep, that's AI. The products Daraz shows you in the recommended for you section, AI again. Even when foodpanda suggests that one restaurant you've been craving, that is a smart algorithm that's learned exactly what you like. And it gets even smaller, even more personal. Your phone's keyboard, that predictive text that knows the next word you're going to type, that's a tiny but absolutely brilliant AI. It's a little language model that learns your unique style, your slang, everything, just to help you type faster. AI is also kind of like your digital bodyguard. It's the reason your Gmail inbox isn't a total massive junk mail. A smart AI is constantly filtering all that stuff into your spam folder. And it's what banks and services like EasyPaisa or JazzCash use to spot weird transactions and stop fraud in its tracks. So AI isn't just about convenience. It's become this crucial shield in our digital lives. So we've seen AI working all around us, but how does it actually do all this stuff? I mean, how does one technology understand traffic, predict what shoes you want to buy, and protect your bank account? Well, it turns out most of these amazing skills come from three main areas. These are what I like to call the three pillars of modern AI. You've got natural language processing, or NLP for short, then there's computer vision, or CV, and finally, robotics. If you can get your head around these three, you basically hold the key to understanding how most AI works today. All right, first up, NLP. This is all about teaching computers to speak our language. It's the magic that gives a machine the ability to understand what we're saying, to read text, and even to write back to us in a way that makes sense. Next, we have computer vision. So if NLP is about hearing and speaking, you can think of computer vision as giving computers eyes. This is how we teach a machine to see the world, to recognize your face in a photo, or understand what's happening in a video. And pillar number 3 is robotics. This is where AI gets physical. It's the point where that smart AI brain gets connected to a body, motors, sensors, arms, allowing it to actually move around and interact with the real physical world. Okay, so that's the theory. We have the 3 pillars. Now let's connect the dots and bring it all back to the technology you already know and use every single day. This is where it all clicks into place. Look at how these build the world around us. When you talk to Google Assistant, that's natural language processing in action, understanding your voice. When you snap a photo in portrait mode, that's computer vision seeing the person to blur the background. And those huge, precise robots building cars in a factory, that's robotics. See, these aren't just ideas in a textbook. They're the engines driving the tech we rely on. So understanding all this is a fantastic first step. But real deep understanding, that comes from actually doing. Which probably leaves you wondering, okay, this is cool, but how can I get my hands on this stuff and try it myself? Because there's a simple truth when it comes to technology like this. The absolute best way to really learn it, to truly get it, is to build something with it. And that's actually an opportunity that's right here. The Skill Development Center at the University of the Punjab is offering a short course on AI that's built on that exact idea. It's an on-campus program at the Quiet Awesome campus. And the whole point is to get you beyond the theory and give you hands-on practice, so you can build your very own AI models. So there you have it.
We've seen that AI is literally all around us. It's in our maps, our keyboards, it's keeping us safe. It's a tool that is actively shaping our world right now. So the only real question left is, now that you know where it is, what are you going to build with it?